Yeah, you must exchange. I tell you, I already tell you my name. You still remember my name? They say your name is Omurodi.
Chaka su kwesta chuma si kwelu lida su kutwiska kagbe kukhia kombete. Ya. Chaka tum kwesta. Aba. Kai kwa gese chake ni. Mai kawa kaga de ka cha gwika khie ko. Gwika khie ko cha sho ka chima kwetsema. Ha kuseka cha ni mkatu mka kuseka ka mka kwe. Khie ngache khie ma kuseka ka khoga cha ka kwesta to. Mitsatsara kusa sinika kwe ka. Johnson got the Shakajumang, I will just in quick, or going to get a chance in go quack, or can I get Chaka in a sugar quick? I think I get the sugar. I think I get Gango. Look at the Chaka quick.
To explain what?
The whole story.
The whole story. I will correct you, don't worry, I will correct you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this thing is built by ants.
Yeah,
who
by
eat
ants,
something
yeah.
and then they poo, and that's how it's built, right?
Continue.
Then it gets bigger and bigger. Then the Nasenbär comes to this place, tries to open it, but it's too hard. That's why he's digging, or they are digging through the sand. Then they go in and eat whatever they can. Then they see the traps, or the tracks.
Yeah, the tracks, yeah.
They hunt the Nasenbär. They shoot him once in
kill
the
it?
neck, then once probably in the head. Then it's dead. They make the fire, cook it, eat it. Then they go to sleep.
And they have the...
Oh, then they have the mosquitoes, and they use the ash, I think.
the ash or the... I don't
Okay.
know.
You are right. You are right.
Yes,
You are very good, but I will help you at some point,
Okay, that's
They
fine.
meat.
That's fine.
to get them in different types of ways. Some of them are long or big.
Oh, I didn't get that.
Yeah. So now, this animal when it's coming, no, it's very hard. You dig a little bit distance far, and then it continues. When you go in a very long tongue, 72 centimeter, then it will put this tongue in. And then the ends will target the tongue. And then it will swallow. Like what you say, when they are hunting, then they will follow the tracks. They will come and tell him, say, was there. It's going to still continue to follow him. When they are lucky, they get him, then they will shoot him, kill him. After they kill him, they bring them back again where he start to dig. And then they will cut and take the ends. They remove the ends out from his stomach, replace them back because they are still alive in the stomach. They can alive 2 to 3 days in the stomach. After you put him back, close the hole nice, and then you take the meat home, go and cook the meat. The meat is very nice like a pork. And then they say when it is sleeping stuff in the mesquite area, where this mesquite is, they don't throw the soup of the meat away, they keep it. When there's mosquito area, they come to the soup and then apply the soup like mosquito reply.
Okay.
You was right.
Almost. Almost.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now we leave them here. They will demonstrate shortly how they are hunting and how they are shooting. We go that side. There is 18 up. So when they are hunting, they are following each other in the queue. And then you must be good to listen to hear the sound of the animal when they are running. And also they are looking for the fresh tracks of the animals. And then there are arrows who they use to shoot the animal. They don't kill an animal on one spot. Because on the points of the arrows they are using sort of poison Like you get a worm who's under the ground, you can dig and take the poison from there. Or when they get a dangerous snake, like cobra, black mamba, they kill it and take the poison from there. Or they can also use the fat plants. So it means after they shoot the animal, like an oryx, therefore they must also be a good runners. Then they must run after the animal until they go and get the animal. They will still get the animal alive. What he did is they cut the head, and the blood is flowing out. It means the poison also is going out. The place where they hit it, they cut that meat out and they throw it away. Now the place where they get meat is the place where they are staying. So one will be sent back to the group. It can be maybe 25 kilometers. What to send back there? He must be good runner to go and bring the group where they get the meat. Where they get the meat, start cutting the meat and give everyone, make dry meat and they eat. Everyone is fine, and then they will start after hours. Start making big fire. The group will sit on the ground, start singing songs, clapping hands. So the songs which I used to sing there is gospel songs because they have a lot of gods. The god of the sun, god of the moon, the wind. And then only the hunters will dance around the fire. So unlucky now we don't have an animal, but they will target one of the three trees to see which guy is good to shoot. And from there, they will show us the dance, the Bushman dance. Thank you very much. Yete! Aura can get COVID maguma. They are in the line following each other. Yeah, I like this part. You have action. Sorry. Checking the wind direction.